Truly high passive income. Install CryptoTab browser on your computer and start earning right now. Stable earnings and guaranteed payments in Bitcoins every day. Join in.
Hello guys, today short update to my first video about CryptoTab browser. So I'm pretty sure, at least for me, it's the way how to get excuse me, how to get strings for free, or to get picks, to guitar picks for free, doing completely nothing. And by the way, today I talked to Behringer C2 mics, two of them stereo matched par. I don't know, or as you can see, here is alright, and here is live channel. Very nice mics. By the way, my next video gonna be about those mics. So let's back to the CryptoTab browser. So like you see, yes, the speed of mining depends of CPU. Actually, right now I have a really low, cause my camera is running on the computer, my Sonar recording studio running on the computer, and also screen capture device, it's running at the same time. So usually I see the speed between 350, sometimes, not often, it happens that I see 400 hashes per second. And usually average speed is between 300 350. So like I said in the first video, it gives me about 30 cents daily. So to get, for example, this set of strings for free, I have to wait close about 20 days, but it's for free. I do nothing. I can sit in my recording studio and mixing, my project or whatever, and it makes money for me. So let me show you just a few things more. Like you see, even I don't have a referral. I have one guy, and let me check. He don't give me any money. It was never activated. So important thing, it's a CPU. So I go with the i7, so it's pretty strong unit, and that kind of unit give me like those amount of money, 30 cents daily, but without the referrals. So guys, if you get some more referrals, I'm pretty sure after 5 days, maybe even in 1 day, you can go to the Guitar Center and easy buy strings. 1 set of Gibsons or two sets of Ernie Ball for sure. And let me show you the withdrawals. So on the time when I make first video was here, this one was pending, was 10 days ago. In the meantime, I make those withdrawals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's together $9, so money for free. And to be, for example, last one was today, 28.95, 28.95. Next one was before 12.97, 12.97, and so on. And I keep that coins in Exodus wallet, and maybe somebody of you ask what next. Of course, you go to the Coinbase and send them money from the wallet to the Coinbase or whatever. And Coinbase account is very easy to sell those bitcoins to Coinbase company, and after that you see those coins on your account in Coinbase, like not in BTC, but it's converted to US dollars, and you just send it to your account in the bank, and that's it, a whole way. So what else to share with you? Without referrals, it gives me some money for coffee, for things. So I think you should try this. It's really legit, like you see, it's paying, and I think it's it's a good way to get our small stuffs if you are a guitar player or whatever you do. So you always can get cheap money for free. All right, thank you guys. Coming soon my next video about those two mics, Behringer C2. Right, left, right, blah blah. Thank you for watching. Zeb Bach was here. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.
Truly high passive income. Install CryptoTab browser on your computer and start earning right now. Stable earnings and guaranteed payments in Bitcoins every day. Join in.